Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has just presented the Union Budget for 2026-2027. लेकिन आम आदमी के लिए what is in it for the common man? Well, the good news and the bad news is that there is no change. There's no change in the income tax slabs. Existing structure will remain, but revised ITR can be filed until March 31st. What else is there? TCS on overseas tour packages reduced to 2%. So people who are traveling abroad, so if they are traveling, their TCS will be reduced to 2%. और क्या है? Finance Commission has granted 1.4 lakh crore to states supporting local services like healthcare, water and disaster management. This is very, very important to know, to understand, क्योंकि इलेक्शन, स्टेट इलेक्शन ईयर है और दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हमारा जो वाटर या स्वेज प्लांट्स या इस तरह के जितना भी छोटे छोटे चीज़ें हैं इन पर अमल किया गया है. द अदर थिंग दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस बजट दैट हैज़ कम आउट इज़ द push to healthcare and pharma sector. We can already see that Nifty pharma stocks are up, but common man के लिए क्या है कि there will be a boost to healthcare and medical tourism. Apart from that, 5 regional hubs to improve accessibility for patients. Also, there are some kind of arrangements being done for critical diseases like diabetes. Investment in education and skill development. Content creator labs will be created for in more than 15,000 schools. और ये रूरल और अर्बन एरिया दोनों जगह पे बनाया जाएगा. MSME ग्रोथ फंड एंड रिवाइवल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल क्लटर्स. उसके साथ पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्पेंडिंग रेज टू $12.2 ट्रिलियन. इस बजट में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस किया गया है टूरिज्म पर एंड हेल्थ टूरिज्म पर. प्लस कल्चरल साइट्स जितने भी है ऑल ओवर इंडिया विल बी रिवैम्प्ड एंड देयर विल बी डेवलपमेंट. दिस विल ऑल्सो ensure कि jobs are created, because jobs is something that everybody focuses on, especially right now we are 140 crore people. Jobs is an important sector. Apart from that, enhanced connectivity via rail, reducing travel and transport cost is also in focus for the current government. Overall, मोटा मोटा this is what it is. Income tax slabs change नहीं हुआ है और आप अगर अपना ITR, revised ITR फाइल करना चाहते हैं तो March 31st is the date. Before that you have to file it. Plus TCS coverage जो है for people who are going abroad, overseas tour packages के लिए वो it has been reduced to 2%. What comes next is probably our Prime Minister Narendra Modi will speak in a bit and will update you.